Alright, so we are at Frisco Mill, which is a little bit more west of Animas Fork. We just drove from there and now we're just gonna explore this mill. I see some people are inside. I don't know if it's the safest thing in the world, but I'm not gonna. I might even go myself if I feel like it's safe. So this were most likely all the tailings, all the mill. This is where they grind all that ore and basically trying to get the gold or silver out of the mountains. So, I don't know if I'm climbing that thing just to see if I can get a better view. Let's see. This is maybe a little bit difficult. It's tough, but not that great. So I'm not gonna climb all the way up. So I'm coming back on the other side since it's too gnarly. It looks like a pretty safe area right here. People are coming in and out. Alright, let's check it out. So we are entering Frisco Mill. Pretty impressive, the support for the weight. Looks like they marked for restoration, or we have a little bit of a stair here. Be careful not to step in any nails. Getting up to the second storage, a little bit more gnarly, but looks pretty good. Spot for grinding wheels. So rain is picking up. It's lovely. I'm really impressed with the engineering it took to sustain the weight of these boards at you know, the 1800s or a little later than that, but this is when the gold and silver craze was in this area, so I would assume that's when it was built, since I don't have that information right on hand. And if I do get that information, I will post it in the comments below. So let's go in this corner. Let's go check out the outside. Hopefully the rain is not going to be getting harder and harder. go check out where I'm gonna climb here. Ooh. Frisco Mill, east of Silverton, Colorado, west of Animas Fork, trying to adjust my angle camera here, but pretty neat. A little less busy than Animas Fork, but still pretty impressive. Show you a little bit the view. So I don't know if you see, but right going this way, you have a hill going that way. That's Cinnamon Pass. Going this way is Engineering Pass. Coming this way and going a little farther than that is California Pass, or California, gosh, what is over there? So So right here you can see that they have an elevator, so it would go to each level of the mill. So a little bit of a modern life at 11,000 feet of altitude. So this is Frisco Mill behind me, and if you like the video, please like the video. If you have any question, comments, or anything you want to say, please write in the comment. If you want to see more videos like this, just basically subscribe. And once again, this is Michael Joubert from AJ's Adventure, and thank you for watching.